come on in a little bit closer and I'll go over some of the specialty bits that we have to offer. We have many different bits for several different profiles. We'll start with this. This is a 60-degree bit. Nice carbide bit that will give you this profile. Next is a 45-degree bit. This is a 45-degree bit. Carbide tipped. Makes a beautiful cut. Come in close and look at this one. It's all going to depend on what you have framed on the job. We have any degree bit or any degree framing that you have. This is the 1800 watt milling unit. I'm actually showing you this particular unit because what I'm really wanting to show you is the 90-degree bit that's in here. I'll be demonstrating this here next, actually. This is a 90-degree bit that you will use most likely 85 to 90% of the time. This is what's going to make a 90-degree actual corner. It's going to be for your soffits and almost any other 90-degree that you have anywhere else on the job. Carbide tipped as well and lasts a very long time. These are the two different saws for both of the tables. The 1800 watts. The first one is a single blade saw that's designed just for a standard everyday cut or rip. You can adjust this all the way down to where actually if you wanted to, you could cut 3 pieces of 5/8 at one time. That's popular with this rips. Second one also is an 1800 watt saw, 4 blade. The difference is it's got 4 blades designed to give you a radius cut. They're roughly about 1/4 inch apart. And once it's on the table, you make 1 rip with it. You're getting 4 different scribes. Move it forward, 4 more scribes, and the further you go is the different radius that you can get on whether you be in Florida or somewhere where you're going to have waves in the wall. It's very popular.